Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, our morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now, with news that National Party leader John Key has called for a bipartisan move to improve the deposit guarantee scheme announced last Sunday by Helen Clark. He would like to see an extension of the scheme to include wholesale deposits. Now currently the government is saying if you're a mum and dad or even a company and you've got your money in the bank, it's guaranteed by the government. But if you're a fund manager or another bank with money in a bank in New Zealand, you're not guaranteed. Now, this is unlike in Australia where they've said they will guarantee wholesale deposits. In New Zealand, fund managers are telling us that they may look to move funds into Australia so they can get access to the Australian wholesale guarantee. Well, Helen Clark and Michael Cullen have come out last night and said that they have officials working on the extension to a wholesale plan and they're watching closely what the Australians are doing. We expect something more specific out of Australia in the middle of the week. It's going to be a busy week because on Thursday we've got the Reserve Bank expected to cut the official cash rate by 100 basis points to 6.5%. We're also seeing more evidence of distortions created by the deposit guarantee scheme. Bond issues by the Auckland and Wellington airports last week and also by the Dunedin City Council failed because they're struggling to get investors to buy corporate bonds or local government bonds because their money is much safer in a government guaranteed bank. Now I thought there might not be any failures this weekend, but just looking at the wires in the last hour or so, the Dutch government is going to pump $13.4 billion into ING, the huge Dutch financial operation, and South Korea says it will guarantee $100 billion in the debts of its banks after a huge run on its currency and warnings that its banks are in trouble because they rely on short-term foreign money. I'm Bernard Hickey, that was 90 at 9 for interest.co.nz.